It's always a privilege to do a unboxing video where there is actually a box involved, but here we are. 5 handsets apparently. Purchased from eBay. I can't remember how much I paid. Just give me. Actually, it was £4.99. That's it. £4.99. £3.20 for delivery, and allegedly, excuse me. Allegedly, there are 5 handsets. 3 of them are. And you were probably expecting me to say Sony Ericsson, but they're not. They're Samsungs, and seemingly these are the only 3 that work. The other one is I think, a Sony Ericsson T630, I believe, and the other one's a Nokia, which I haven't quite discovered what it is. In fact, this could be it. It looks pretty favourite. I've got a battery handy, just in case it is the battery. Seemingly this doesn't work. Righty. Well packaged anyway. Let's give the guy credit, whoever it is. Oh, hang on. Had a bit of life in there, BL. As you might expect. Here's one I prepared earlier. Insert simp. So there's one of the 5 that work. Nice. Do you know what? Is that it? Oh my goodness, I can't even read that. 16. Is that 1650? 1650. Let me have a quick look on my computer. Nokia 1650. Does such a thing exist? Nice. Oh, do you know what? I think it is. It is a Nokia 1650 and in working condition. So that's a bonus because, as I said, they appear to be only well, he said 3 handsets that were working, which were all the Samsungs, but voila, there you go. Nice. Few batteries, few cables. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for the packaging, indeed. This one's even been switched on. He's left it on. And this one looks like the Samsung E1080. Can I get that open? Is it open? Oh, excellent. Looks in pretty good condition. The keypad pressed, there we go. Keypad unlocked, fantastic. So yeah, the E1080, 2009. Very nice, isn't it? Very nice. The time date is need to say, okay. Switch that off. Looks pretty good. Oh. 1080i. That is nice. This one is, I believe, 2120 is not Samsung. He said Nokia. And he's left this one on as well, working, excellent, and fully charged. You can't really ask for more than that, can you? Samsung A2120, released again in August, month before the one you just seen before, the 1080. So yeah, that's very nice. Keypad locked again. Very nice. I do. Beautiful, that. Beautiful handset. That's 3 of the 5. We've got, oh, this is the Sony Ericsson T630, is it? Sony Ericsson T630. Now, as you might expect, I have a charged battery ready to rock and roll, if I can find it. Here we are. Taken from a Sony Ericsson T10. Oh, lordy be, can you believe it? It actually works. That's absolutely superb. Oh, there's a battery dead. We definitely had some life in it. Do you know what? I think this calls for a quick charge. So yeah, pinched the battery out of a Sony Ericsson T610. Oh look, it's charging. You can see the red light. Happy days. Beautiful. There is actually some charge on. I don't know why it's not switching on. Insert is on. Okay, yeah, very nice. Tell you what, I'll shut the battery case. So this one is from the end of 2003. Sony Ericsson T630. Nice, very nice. Okay, so that is that. Oh, I didn't get the charger in. Believe it or not, actually $4.99 for all this. So there are bargains out there. If you just look, here's another 1080, I believe. He's done an absolutely fantastic job. Has he left this one on? Oh, well, he's consistent if anything. Charger in, everything. An absolute bargain. So about £8.19 for 5 working handsets. I believe they are all unlocked. So yeah, let's go through the procedure. We know what it is by now. Time and date. Okay, let's switch you off. Want to switch you off? Excellent. And that is everything. 1080 Nokia. I did remember the name. It was a 1650, wasn't it? Nokia 1650. Some batteries. That was another 1080. This was the A2120, and of course, bonus, if you like, the Sony Ericsson T630 from 2003. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, possibly a share would be fantastic, helps the channel. So we'll get these done and dusted, get some videos out with some ringtones, reviews in the near future. So thanks very much for watching.